Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove CapCut template watermark. So if you want to create videos using CapCut templates, but you want to make your videos look professional without the watermark, in this full tutorial, I'll show you the step-by-step guide on how you can remove the CapCut template watermark so you can create clean, polished videos. So in this videos, I'm going to start by launching the CapCut application. So once the CapCut is open, you can now just go to the templates by clicking on this templates tab. And then here you can explore and find the templates that you want to use. Okay, just find the one that you want. For example, I'm going to use this one. You can tap on the use template and then choose the videos that you want to insert into the templates. You can scroll down and explore in here, choose the videos. For example, I'm going to use this videos right here. Tap on next. It will load the effects. So before exporting, you'll see the preview of your video. If you want to edit like the position or crop it, you can click on the video in here, tap on crop and adjust the position. Tap on a check icon. Okay, as you guys can see at the top right corner of the video, there will be this CapCut watermark, and it will make your videos it will ruin your videos because there is this CapCut label or watermark attached. So if you want to remove it, here you need to click on the export button first. So don't click on this export, but click on this one, export without watermark, with this TikTok icon beside it. So when you click on this, if you have TikTok account, it will direct you to the TikTok application so that you can directly upload it to TikTok. But if you don't have any if you don't have a TikTok account or the TikTok application, it will lead you to the Google Play Store, and you can just install it if you want to, but if you don't, you can just go back. So let's just click on export without watermark. You can see automatically switch to TikTok. Just wait for a while and it will directly switch to the TikTok applications on your phone. As you guys can see here, there is a no watermark attached on the video. So if you want to upload it, just tap on next, but if you don't, you can go back, but the video still be saved on your album. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.